So a lot of people have been asking to get some up-close photos and up-close videos of it, and so I'd like to show you what me and Mom spent our summer doing. So if you couldn't tell by the big tree coming up the middle, this is our tree house. Mom has keyed it the Cicada Cottage, and just one flight of stairs, well, 2 flights of stairs, lead you up to our front door, which is on the back side. And although there's still a lot of work to be done on the inside, right now we have a product that is rather comfortable. We have some power ran to it via extension cord for the time being that allows us to light it up at night, and eventually later today run a little fan in here. This black thing up here gets a lot of questions. This is a cargo net, which I have put up here instead of a loft that acts basically just as a big hammock. So you can get up here and chill out and still have plenty of room to move. Now this door, which is a split pony door, is a fully enclosed balcony. That overlooks the lot. Every window opens, every window closes, besides the big one. Yeah, this was a ridiculous amount of work. Oh, I'd like to thank everybody who has helped with this project, indirectly and directly helping. A lot of the material, if not, well, actually all of the outside material besides the deck was all donated. The barnwood comes from my Uncle Josh. The tin comes from Jay and Glennis Zimmerman. And the windows come from Dina Byers' old house. And we stole all the sticks. Oh, I got tar paper from Brooke and Robert, and from Jenny and Eric Haddon, and it's got a lot in it, and we wouldn't have been able to do it without everybody who helped, so we're super thankful. Yeah.